In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve the common issue where your Shopify products are not showing up on your storefront. This can be a frustrating standstill for many merchants, but today, we're going to run through a clear and comprehensive checklist that should help you get to the bottom of the problem. The very first thing we need to do is ensure the product's status is set to active. To verify this, head over to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Here, check the status of each product. If any product is marked as draft or archived, it won't appear in your store. Change the status to active and don't forget to click Save. This simple step could immediately solve the issue if it was purely about the product's status. Next, let's delve into your sales channels, sometimes referred to as publishing. Open up the product page and find the section labeled Sales Channels and Apps, or possibly just Publishing. Here, you want to ensure that the online store option is ticked or enabled. If it's not, click on Manage Sales Channels and ensure the online store is selected. Hit Save once you've confirmed this setting. Now, it's crucial to check your inventory availability. If you're tracking inventory and it shows as 0, the product could be hidden or marked as sold out. This is particularly important for product variants. Each one must have stock available if you're using inventory tracking. Or alternatively, you can enable the setting Continue Selling when out of stock to ensure it displays even when currently unavailable. Let's also examine any collections that your product might be a part of. If it's an automated collection, meaning it's collected by a specific tag or condition, the product must meet those specific requirements. Without adhering to these rules, the product won't appear. If you're dealing with manual collections, make sure the product is appropriately added. In conjunction with collections, make sure your collections, navigation, and theme settings correctly include the product. Ensure the collection intended to display the product is published and added to your store's navigation or menu structure, allowing customers to access it. Review the theme settings, particularly if it differentiates between certain collections or features specific products. Ensure here that the correct collection is selected. Finally, sometimes Shopify changes take a minute to show on your storefront. Be patient, and after making your adjustments, refresh your storefront. It can be a good idea to use incognito mode or switch to another browser to view changes as they propagate. If everything seems right, but there's still no luck, consider temporarily switching to a fresh or default theme to check if any custom code in your current theme might be hiding your products inadvertently. By following these steps, you should have a clear path to resolving this common yet fixable issue. Good luck and happy selling!